You got a smile or you got a nod?
He playing with him. He likes it. That's a weird face. Play with him again. Bring him off. Weirdo. I think it's funny when you pee on Daddy in the bathtub. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Jesus, your fist in his mouth.
Babe, what are you doing, man? Gordito! Like your tia calls you. Gordito! Sophie says she wants to see a gordito. You know what that means?
A fat boy?
Yeah.
Fat boy! Fat boy! Fat boy, you're a fat boy, you're a fat boy. You're a fat boy. Yes you are, yes you are, yes you are, yes you are.
Oh my god.
What? Did it look weird?
Yeah.
He jumped at you?
Yeah. Is that him?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's not doing it now. His legs aren't stretched. Or his legs are stretched. And he won't go back.
You think you could fly, little man? You think you could fly? What, bro?
They launching a missile, just caught him head.
Oh, where are we going? Where are we going, baby? Where are we going, baby? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't get him close to my face, baby. He's gonna get in trouble.
He's gonna get in trouble? What the hell? You're gonna get in trouble. You get close to mommy's face?
I mean sick. He's gonna get sick.
Ah.
You giving daddy kisses?
Trying to eat daddy. I don't even know if he's crying or not. I'm not gonna feed him. He said he